If you want to start your morning with real energy instead of depending only on coffee, there are several powerful drinks doctors and nutrition experts often recommend that can naturally boost your metabolism, improve digestion, and keep you active throughout the day. First, warm lemon water is one of the best morning drinks because it hydrates your body after long sleep, helps detox your liver, and supports digestion. Second, turmeric water is becoming very popular because it contains curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that can strengthen immunity and protect your body from diseases. Third, soaked chia seed water is a super drink rich in fiber and omega-3 that keeps your stomach full longer and helps in weight management. Fourth, green tea is a fantastic alternative to coffee because it contains less caffeine but more antioxidants, giving you calm, steady energy without the crash that coffee sometimes causes. Finally, jeera cumin water is a traditional health drink used in many cultures that improves digestion, reduces bloating, and helps control blood sugar levels. The real secret is consistency. Drinking any of these regularly can slowly transform your health, improve your gut, and increase natural energy without dependency on caffeine. If you really want a strong body and sharp mind, sometimes small morning habits like these can create the biggest life changes. Start with just one of these drinks and see the difference yourself.